Golden rules of account. It is also known as traditional approach. There are two types of golden rules. First one is personal account, which is related to person, individual, company, firm, etc. For example, debtor, देनदार जिसे पैसे देना है, creditor जिसे पैसे लेना है. Prepaid expenses which is paid in advance. Their rule is debit the receiver and credit the giver. Second one is impersonal account, which is classified as real account and nominal accounts. Real accounts, which is related to assets or properties. It is classified as tangible or intangible asset. Their rule is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Tangible asset which can be seen, touch, measure, जिसको छू सकते हैं, माप सकते हैं, like cash, machinery, plant, etc. Intangible asset which can't be seen, जिसको छू सकते हैं, माप सकते हैं, like goodwill, patents, etc. The next one is nominal account, which is related to income, expenses, gain, losses. It is also known as fictitious asset like rent, salary, rent received, etc. And their rule is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. Thank you.